Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Assalamu alaikum to Muslim families. Today's video's topic is how to add private story on Snapchat. It's very easy. Tab on Snapchat. Tab on profile. Tab on new story. New private story. Tab here. Okay, now you can select the people you want to see your story. I select these people. Okay, now tab on create story. Rename your story. Tab on save. Okay, here you can see the option add to private story. Now add your private story. Tab on private story. Tab here. Now you can see your story is added. Here. So this is private story on Snapchat. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.